Hey guys, Chuck House of Mopar. Welcome back. Going to the 4th annual Drew Nationals. I say 4th annual. I think we met at least 3 times. We're going to Drew's house, the guy that's painting the Cornet, and just get together. You know, the group of guys like to do something spring, fall, winter, and summer. We get the thing down in Gateway. In the summer we did anyway. So I'm taking the Cuda. My buddy Steve's going to take the Satellite. I'm going to swap the Cuda in for the Satellite. Satellite will stay here at Louise all winter long because, because I need to be able to park a car outside all winter long. Or, you know, for a couple days, get snowed on, it doesn't matter. Not that Louise doesn't matter, but, you know. Anyway, yeah, my workbench. So let's start here. Just an update. I think I'm about 2 weeks from we're going to jam this thing. Okay. Doors, deck lid, and hood will come off, get painted underneath, and the fenders are coming off, sounds like, which is extra. So stuff will get sanded in there, the engine bay, whatnot, the bottom of everything, the door jams, and everything will get painted. And then it's going to take a month probably, because it'll be another month before we can get back and paint the whole damn car, because I got to sand in between. You know, the overspray gets sanded. The Cuda's fine, so whatever. You know, she's been reliable. Don't want to jinx that. Update you don't know about yet. I'm doing the heater box, okay? It's a 2-week video at least. Hope to get back to it here pretty soon. And I got a new heater core for it and put that thing back together. I've been slowed down because it's fall and outside stuff. Had a huge pile of brush and a tree had died, so I had to burn all that. So yeah, that's my fun. Anyway, so I will I think we'll just do a little outdoor, you know, driving down the road a little bit, only a little bit. Start it up, go pick up Steve, get Louise, and head out to Drew's. Should be a good time. All right, you guys hear the pump running. I forgot to put the door up all the way. I put the garage door up and it caught the car cover. I had it, oh my God, oh shizzle moment. It's been a couple weeks since I've started it, so let's see what happens. Takes several pumps. Let's give her a little bit of that, a little bit of loving. Oh crap. Come on, old girl. No choke. Come on. Lean. Atta baby. So I wiped her off, which is seldom. I need to go out and look at the sides better. Wipe her off. All right, let's get this old girl warmed up, and we'll see about getting Steve in a little while. Okay. Well, Black Cat just crossed. Maybe we better not go that way. All right, you guys remember Steve? Say hi, America. How's it going, America? Kick her down once, see how she's. I love electric choke, man. I didn't know. Short people, I know. What are you gonna do? Dog crap. Let me see if I stepped in it. 360 powered Dakota. Still waiting on some of the boys and the wives.
A few moments later.
I was over there talking, neighbors. Go figure, I talk. Boys from out east showed up. You've seen these guys. Mop's been missing lately. The shark. Okay.
Stay right here.
Hi, Stacy. Want to be famous? We'll come into Drew's shop. Yeah, it's been painted about 5 years. Getting to it. That's a nice car, man. Where'd you get that? How come it's inside?
That trunk pan ain't bad either.
This is Jeff's car. Hi, Jeff.
Hey, I found a new engine you got put in it. Coming.
That's Drew's 69 Super B air grabber car, if I remember right. 4-speed. Drove in high school. Get done eventually.
You know Phil Ramello?
Oh yeah. I usually
That's where he worked.
I usually don't admit it.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you brought me up to the back of there. Oh wow. Which I mean, there was a lot in between.
I think that's T7. Might be T5. I'm
Back it off.
Good, Jerry. Whose car am I leaning on?
The next day.
Yeah, next day. Had a good time. We just try to get together like this once in a while just to go ahead and have some fun. Drive your car, see your friends, have a little food. Is never a bad thing. Usually the wives come along. I guess we were missing a couple yesterday. That's all right. So who were the players that we're not used to seeing? I'm not used to seeing. Man, I think his name's Ed. He's got that 69 Roadrunner with a 4-speed in it, the red one. His son has a silver one. Hopefully we can get him to show up. Another guy, I can't remember his name. I apologize, but he's got that first-gen Dakota with a 360 in it, and that's awfully cool if you ask me. Jerry showed up with his Daytona. That's always awesome. His wife loves driving that car when given the chance of a choice to drive. She drove that. Gives the old princess wave when people beep at her, point at her. The Satellite, that 69 Satellite convertible, Jerry's had that since the 80s. And he got around to putting a motor together, small block with some aluminum heads and a little cam, it sounds like, over the winter. So I guess 40 years later, you know, I got hope for me in here. Jeff brought his Superbird. Don't hate that. He bought that in around 83. Back then he said that, Superbird ran about 10 grand in 83. You know, should have kept them. Should have bought them all. Anyway, yeah, about 6-7 years ago he finally was able to get it put together. Numbers matching 4-speed car. K2 orange. Can't beat it. Anyway, that's about it. You know, we had a good time, just us standing around talking, eating, and get ready to go. There was a burnout contest at the end. I left early. One of the first ones to go. I got to come and relieve the help here at the house, and I did a burnout. You know, it was a nice one, but I didn't know I was supposed to until I was leaving, and everybody's heckling me, you know, you got to do a burnout. So it was nice. Burned off a couple thousand miles off my tires, but you know, whatever. That's the price of showing off. Anyway, that's all I got for now, guys. Catch you on the next one. See ya.